Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Maps location problem in your Android device. So first thing first, this happens when your Google Maps is not updated. This is one of the reasons. So let's go ahead and fix it. Head over to your Play Store or App Store and then simply search for Maps. You will see Google Maps. Tap onto it. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, that means your application is already updated. So let's move on to our next step. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. At this section, you will see all the applications that you have installed. Here also we have to search for maps and then search again. Once you do so, tap on this permissions button and make sure notifications and location are allowed. Tap onto it, tap on allow all the time or allow while using the app. Do the same for your notifications as well. This will notify you if you have anything going on with your Google Maps. So notification allowing is necessary. Now here, come back onto App Info page. Tap on Storage, clear the cache. If you would like to clear the data, you may go ahead and do so by reading all these. Come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, and then OK. Now restart your device, launch your Google Maps, and this shall fix your problem.